Ramisa, are you solving?
Yes, sir.
So Abdul Jabbar, do question number 5, 4 and 5. Okay.
You can't see the screen.
You
It's
can't
not,
see the screen.
it's not visible, sir.
Other students, is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's visible.
Here we have this question number 4 and 5. Do this question number 4 and 5. Done this one? Tell me fast. Tell me.
Sir, this is the first chapter only.
Yeah, this is the first chapter. Motion. This is simple questions and you are not able to answer this question. Why? Rumaisa, done?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer? What's the answer? Simple answer. The racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What distance it cover in 10 seconds? So it has been given to you that A is equals to 4 meter per second square. What is being asked? Time is given to you. What time? 10 seconds. Okay. And
The answer
distance is
is
being asked.
200 meter.
Okay, distance is being asked. What is not being asked, not being given? Okay, V is not being asked, not being given, but U is should be there. Okay, so a racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square at what distance? Okay, so we will consider that this racing car, it is asking that what distance will it cover in 10 seconds after the start. So it means that initial velocity is 0. Okay, what is not being asked, not being given? V is not being asked, not being given. So if V is not being asked, not being given, so out of three equation of motion, which equation does not have the V? Which equation does not have V? So out of these three, V is not carried, or V is not, this V is not having, or we can say that this is second equation is not having the value of V. Okay. So you will use this second equation. Okay. Out of this, these three things are given to you. A given to you, T given to you, U given to you. S is being asked. What is not being asked, not being given? V is not being asked, not being given. So you will reject these two equations because V is not being asked, not being given. You have to use this equation. Okay. Okay. So here you have to use S is equals to UT plus half AT square. And this is S. You need to calculate the displacement. U initial velocity is 0 into T is 10 plus half into A is 4. A is 4 into T is 10 into 10. Okay, so when you do this one, you'll get 0 plus, here it is. When you cut it, you will get 2. Okay, so this will be 200. So S is equals to 200 meter. Do the next question.
Can you show?
Can you show means? Is it not visible to you?
You are showing only the fourth question.
I have solved it whole. Is it visible to you now?
No, sir.
Eh? Maisa, are you there? Is the solution
Yes,
is
sir.
visible?
Yes, sir, it is.
Now check Avni. Is it visible to you now? Avni.
Sir, I can only see the fourth question and the solution.
Okay. I'm asking for the next question. Na? So this one is, can you show? It's saying show the next fifth question. So here, do this one, please. Do this question, write down the biography and do these questions. Okay. So read the question. What is being given to you? A stone is thrown vertically upward in the direction of velocity of 5 meter per second. So what is this? What is this given to you? It is the initial velocity or final velocity. Judge it. Okay. Because the unit is, if the acceleration is of the stone is 10 meter per second square. So it is moving against the gravity. It is thrown upward. So should we take the plus 10 meter per second square or minus 10 meter per second square? Okay, what will be the height attained? So height is actually h or displacement, you can say, and what time it take to reach, and time you need to find out. So please solve this one. Solve this one, question number 5. Okay.
Sir, I found the answer.
Okay, what's the answer, Avni?
0.5.
Meter.
No, 0.5 second.
Then calculate the height also.
The height is 1.25 meter.
Other students, why are not solving this one? So here we have solving this question further. A stone is vertically thrown upward, so its initial velocity is given to you 5 meter per second. And when it reaches at the highest point, then its final velocity will become, tell me, its final velocity will become 0 meter per second, because at the highest point it becomes 0. Okay, when the stone is thrown upward. Okay, acceleration is always taken -10 when it is thrown upward. Okay, and what is being asked? Find the height attained. Okay, h. Okay, it is being given to you, so you will use s is equals to, either you can use s is equals to ut plus half at square, but t is not given here, because t you need to calculate now. It is in the second part, but for the first part information, t is neither given nor being asked. It is being asked in the question, but don't think that for this portion t is not given in the question. So t you need to find out separately. Okay, so in which equation t is neither given nor being asked, sorry, t is not there, so that is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, this is no t here. Okay, we know, I'm just repeating my statement, that t is being asked, but in the second part, not here in this part. Okay, the information is not given. It is the first part that we are just knowing that s is being asked, and in the above information of the question, t is also not given. So use third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, to find out this one. Okay, so final velocity is 0, initial velocity is 5 meter per second, whole square, then plus 2 into a is -10. Why -10? Because it is thrown against the gravity. Speed is continuously decreasing. That's why we'll take -10. And s you need to find out. Okay. Then this is 5 into 5, you will get 25. 25 plus, sorry, minus 20s. Okay. This 25 will goes to that side. Or you can take this s also. Either you can take 20s is equals to 25. Okay. Got it? Then when you divide it, you will get s is equals to 25 divided by 20. You cut it, you will get 1 point, or you can first divide it 5.5 by 4, and then you will get 1.25 meter. Okay, s is 1.25 meter. Now s you have find out. Okay, this is the separate thing. For this information, if we just think that only directly the third part is being asked, and s is neither given nor been asked. So in which equation s is neither been given nor been asked? The first equation. So for finding t, so t is the unknown quantity that you need to find out, and s is not given to you in the question. You find out this one by solving, but s is not given to you. So in which equation s is not given? The first equation, v is equals to u plus at. So g is 0, u is 5, a is -10, and t is you need to calculate. Okay, so that would be, when this t, you will get this -10t, when it comes to this side, it will become plus 10t. Okay, then it's equals to 5, then 10t, 5 by 10, you will get 0.5 seconds. Solve this one, please. Copy this one. Copy this one. Copied.
Yes, sir,
Copied
done.
this one. Still doing.
Sir, done.
So why are you not telling? Okay, do question number. Do question number 1. Do this question. An athlete complete one round in a circular track of diameter 200. Okay, it is an athlete and it is completing one round and diameter is being given to you, that is 200 meter. Okay, 200 meter in 40 seconds, means it is completing 40 seconds in one revolution is taking, or one complete journey is taking of the circular path is taking how much time? 40 seconds. Okay, how much distance will it cover if the displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds? Try to solve this one. Means how much distance and displacement. How much distance first you need to find out, and displacement, shortest path between the initial and the final position. You need to calculate that how much distance and displacement will it cover at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Do it.
Sir, distance covered is 2.2 kilometers.
What are you saying, Abni?
The distance covered is 2.2 kilometers.
2.2 kilometer. Kilometer. Yes, you. Rumaisa, what's your answer? Rumaisa, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
And you, Abdul Jabbar and Riaz?
200 meters, sir.
Distance is 200 meter.
Sir, I took meter into kilometers, so it would be 2,200 meter.
Okay, we will check it. And you, Rumaisa, what is your distance? What is your distance? Tell me fast.
200 meters, sir.
200 meter distance. So what we are going to do here is, first of all, we need to know in this question that 40 seconds it was taking means 40 seconds was taken by this athlete to complete one complete revolution. Okay. So how many revolution will it complete, or how many complete revolution will it take, or how many complete round will it take in 2 minutes and for 20 seconds? Okay, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So first of all, we will take the total time in second. Total time in seconds will be equals to 2 into 60 plus 20. This is 60 seconds. 2 minutes carry 120 seconds. This is 140 seconds total. So the number of revolution or number of complete round, complete number of complete round here will be equals to 140 divided by 200. Sorry, what I'm saying. 140 divided by 40. Okay, then you will get, you divide it, you will get 7 by 2 or 3.5 meter. 3.5 rounds. Okay. So now he is completing one round, then another round, then third round, and then one half round. So if it started from, he is starting from A position, and after the 3 complete round, his position will be at B. One round, two round, three round, and then one more half round. So he will be at B position. So displacement here will be the shortest distance from initial and final position. Okay, so initial and final position shortest distance is AB, which is equals to diameter that will be equals to 200 meter. Okay, why? Because a displacement is the shortest distance, as a result of which this 200 meter will be the shortest distance between, because for the first round, if we make complete round and he come to its original position A, this will be displacement will be 0. Again he come at second round, after completing the second round at A position, it will be 0 displacement. Third round, the for the first 3 complete round, his displacement will be 0. Okay, but for the next half round, his displacement will be 200 meter, because he will be at B position and the shortest distance will be like this. But if I talk about the displacement, to displacement is the actual path covered by. So actual path is actually he is taking the circular path. So circular path is we can calculate this distance by calculating the circumference. So we can say that distance covered will be equals to 2 pi r. This is the circumference of one round into number of rounds. So you can take 2 into 22 by 7, and the diameter is actually 200. So radius will be 100. So we write here 100 into number of complete round is 7 by 2. You cut it, you cut this one, you will get 2200 meter or 2.2 kilometer. Yes, Avni, your answer is correct. Okay. Copy this one and do it one more time. I will check it and send it to me. Okay. Do it fast. Copy this one and do it. Those who have not done this one, please do it. Okay. Or should I move to the next question? Tell me fast. Next question. Do the next one. Do this question number 3. Do this question number 3. Oh, sorry, 2. Joseph jogs from one end A to other end B of a straight 300-meter road in 2 minutes. Okay. That is a straight road. That is 300 meter. This is A and this is point B, and then this is a 300-meter road. Okay. 300 meter. And he took how much time? 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So for this, the time duration is for covering this is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 30 seconds for this duration from A to B. Now he turns around and he jogs back, means he is starting coming back, and he covers 100-meter back and at a point C. Let this point is C, and he is from B to C. That is 100 meter. 100 meter, and for this he is taking how much time? 1 minute. So time taken for this covering for this 100 meter is 1 minute. 1 minute. What is their average velocities? Speed and average velocities of jogging from A to B and from A to C. Do this one, please. How can you solve this one? You know the formula of the compound. Sorry, formula of the compound. Here we have the formula of average speed. So average speed is equals to total distance upon total time, and average velocity is equals to total displacement upon total time. Do it. Done this one? Tell me fast. Done this one? Yes, you, Rumaisa. Done this one? Tell me fast.
I'm still doing.
Hmm? Still doing. Do it. Yes, you, Abdul Jabbar. Done. And Rumaisa.
Yes, sir.
All have muted their mic.
Sir, done.
Done, sir.
So what's the answer?
2 meter per second.
2 meter per second. So let's check. Here we have total we need to find out the average speed. So average speed is equal to total distance. So what is total distance from A to B? If I'm talking A to B, so total distance is 300 meters. So 300
Sir,
upon
300
total time
meters.
for going this 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So 2 minutes and 30 seconds is actually 150 seconds. Means 120 for this one plus 30, you will get 150. Okay. So when you cut it, you will get 300 divided by 150, you will get 2 meter per second. And same is displacement also. Oh, sorry, average velocity also, because distance and displacement is same from A to B. So if I'm talking A to B distance and displacement is same. So here it will again 300 divided by 150 is equals to 2 meter per second. So since an object or whatever person is moving along a straight line, and here the distance and displacement is same, so their average speed and average velocity will be same. Now question changes if he asks the average speed from A to C and average velocity from A to C. Now tell me, what will be the values of average speed and average velocity? Done? This one, tell me fast. What is the average speed from A to C? Avni, tell me fast.
Sir, I'm still doing.
Average speed A to C, average velocity A to C. So here we can have, so average speed is equal to total distance. So 300 for this one and 100 for this one. Total distance travel is 400 and total time is 150 for the first one for moving from here to here, and then another 60 seconds for this one. So this will be 210. So 400 divided by 210, it will be 40 by 21 is the 40 by 21. Okay, got it? So this is the 40 by 21 is meter per second is the average speed. And what is average velocity? Average velocity is the total displacement. So total displacement from A to C is actually 200 meter. This is the total displacement from A to C, because its initial position, his initial position is A, and C is, he is standing at point C. So his total displacement is only 200 meter, because 300 is this one and he 100 comebacks in opposite direction. So 300 minus 100, he is at the 200 position from A. So this will be 200 upon, but the time need to be added. Time should be added. Okay. You are not going to add the time only when he was passing through this one, like for this point, for the first time he was passing through this point C. No, he is taking time when he moved, he took 150 seconds for this one, another 60 seconds for this one. So actually he is taking 210 seconds again. So this will be 20 by 21 is meter per second is the average velocity. Okay. You got it? Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Yes, sir.
Copy this one. Done copied? Done?
Yes, sir, done.
Do this question. Do this question. Next question. What is the question here? Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed of his trip is 20 kilometer per hour. So when he is moving from A position to B position, like this is his school, it is his home, and this is his school. So from A to B, he is moving and he is taking speed. His moving speed is 20 kilometer per hour. And on returning, when on the same route, his average speed is 30 kilometer per hour. 30 kilometer per hour. So what is his average speed of the whole trip? Mean from when he moved from A to B and then he comes back B2. So what is his average speed? So tell me, what is his average speed? So done this one? Tell me fast. Done this one?
Just a second.
Do this fast. Done? So let me help you, okay? So whenever
Done,
we are
sir.
just, huh?
Sir, I got the answer as the average speed is 24 kilometer per hour.
Okay, very good. So whenever we have such type of question, you can assume a distance from A to B. What is the LCM of these two? Okay, what is the LCM? What means whenever he is giving, for example, he is giving an average speed. Let that average speed is 20 kilometer. Another one is 30 kilometer. It is given. So what is the LCM of 20 and 30? It is 60. So take the LCM. Means distance. The step one is, this is an easy trick, that choose the distance. Okay, choose the distance or take the distance. Take that distance. The distance which is LCM of the two speeds. Okay. So here we assume that A and B, because the distance between A and B is not given to you. So assume that the distance between A and B is 60 kilometer. Okay. So if he is moving from A to B with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour, then how much time will it take? So from the time taken to reach distance A to B, okay, A to B with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. So here the time is equals to time from A to B. Okay, time we are talking about time A to B. It will be equals to total distance upon speed. Okay, time is distance upon speed. The time is, we have taken 60. Distance is 60 here. So right here 60 divided by 20, you will get 3 hours. Similarly, time from B to A, when he was returning back, then it would be, when he's returning back, it would be, tell me fast. When he's returning back, the distance is same 60, but he's returning with a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. So here it is 30, speed is 30 for B to A. You divide it, you will get 2 hours. So total traveling time is 5 hours. Okay. We can do this question by other way also, but this is the shortest and easiest trick. Okay. Now, average speed is equals to total distance upon total time. Now total distance is 60 for moving from A to B and 60 for coming back to A. Okay, so this is 60 plus 60 upon total time is, for going he take 3 hours